Have you recently noticed that your car is devouring fuel at an alarming rate, leaving you scratching your head and your wallet considerably lighter? You're not alone. The sudden increase in gas consumption can be perplexing and frustrating. In this comprehensive overview, we'll explore the common culprits behind excessive fuel consumption, providing insights into potential issues and offering actionable solutions to get your gas mileage back on track. Common causes of increased gas consumption. 1. Poor maintenance. Neglecting routine maintenance can significantly impact your vehicle's fuel efficiency. Clogged air filters, dirty spark plugs, and improper tire pressure are common contributors. Regularly scheduled maintenance can mitigate these issues and optimize your car's performance. 2. Faulty oxygen sensors. Oxygen sensors play a crucial role in regulating fuel efficiency. When they malfunction, your car may burn more fuel than necessary. Identifying and replacing faulty sensors can often restore proper gas mileage. 3. Inefficient fuel injectors. Over time, fuel injectors can become clogged, leading to uneven fuel distribution and increased consumption. Cleaning or replacing fuel injectors may be necessary to restore optimal performance. 4. Ignition system problems. A malfunctioning ignition system can lead to incomplete combustion, resulting in wasted fuel. Regular inspections of ignition components, such as spark plugs, wires, and the distributor, can help prevent these issues. 5. Excessive weight and drag. Carrying unnecessary weight or driving with open windows at high speeds can create additional drag, causing your vehicle to work harder and use more fuel. Streamlining your driving habits and removing unnecessary items can positively impact fuel efficiency. Solutions for improved fuel efficiency. 1. Regular maintenance. Schedule routine checkups for your vehicle, including air filter replacements, spark plug changes, and tire pressure checks. 2. Oxygen sensor replacement. If your oxygen sensors are faulty, consider replacing them to ensure your car's fuel-to-air ratio remains optimal. 3. Fuel injector cleaning. Periodically clean or replace fuel injectors to maintain smooth fuel delivery and combustion. 4. Ignition system inspection. Regularly inspect and replace ignition components to ensure efficient combustion. 5. Mindful driving habits. Reduce unnecessary weight in your vehicle, drive at moderate speeds, and avoid excessive idling to maximize fuel efficiency. By implementing these solutions, you can address the root causes of increased gas consumption and enjoy a more economical and eco-friendly driving experience. Remember, a well-maintained vehicle not only saves you money, but also contributes to a healthier environment. Subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell to join our community of informed car enthusiasts dedicated to optimizing their driving experience. Together, let's drive smarter and more efficiently. Now that we've explored potential reasons behind your car's increased gas consumption, it's time to take action. If you're facing this issue, subscribe to our channel for regular updates on vehicle maintenance tips, troubleshooting guides, and expert insights. Share this information with friends and family who might be experiencing similar problems, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay informed about our upcoming solutions.